Hey guys, welcome back to Power to Weight Training and today's workout. Today it's pretty simple and to the point. 10 different exercises guys, 20-second breaks, 10 repetitions or so per exercise. I'll explain each exercise during your 20-second break. I'll see you in about 5 seconds after this quick flyby. Alright, welcome back to Power to Weight Training and today's workout. Exercise number 1 guys is going to be running in place. Arms out, arms back, and arms up. Just run in place, follow along with me. This is the first one. We'll just basically do it as a warm-up. So let's get started. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And just relax. Arms out. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms back. 1, 2, 3. Relax. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Arms up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. Come on, 1, 2, count with me. 4, 5, just warm it up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. 1, stay with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, out. Keep running with me, guys. Come on. Back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just jog. 9, 10, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and out. 1, 2. Do one more round after this one. 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Back. 1, 2. Jog with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. 1, 2, 3. This is going to be the last round after this. One more round after this. That's all I need to say. 7, 8, 9, and 10, and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and up. This is it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right, let's check it out. We'll be going about 20 seconds or so. This next exercise is going to be a burpee and a jumping jack, or jumping jack and a burpee. So, jumping jack, burpee. 10 repetitions. That's what we're going for. We'll get going about 10 seconds or so. This is going to be a good one. The first exercise is just a warm up. Now we're getting moving. Let's get going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Jump into the burpee. Down, up, and that's 1. That's 2. 3. Stay with me. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 2 more. 9. Last one. And 10. Whew. That was quick and intense. All right. Next one is going to be jumping jacks around the world. So 10 jumping jacks facing forward, 10 jumping jacks facing either left or right, 10 jumping jacks facing backwards, and we keep on going around. Not 10 times through, but a grand total of 100 jumping jacks. So get ready to get your jumping going. Let's get going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 7, 8, 9, 10, and turn. 1, 2, 3, 4. Stay with me. 5. Come on. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 90 degrees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Great jobs, everybody. 8, 9, 10. Back to the front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good job. 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn. 1. Halfway done. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Turn. Let's go. 3, 4. Stay with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's turn. Front. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 more jumping jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go all the way around. Let's do more. Let's do more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's finish at the front. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Woo! That was a little bit extra work. I like it, I like it, I like it. Alright, from here, we're going to single leg mountain climbers. We're going to do 5 repetitions per leg. That's the goal. So get in the mountain climb position, get one leg up in the air, and just jump back and forth on one leg, and then switch back to the other leg. So we're going to single leg. We're going 5 on the left or right or left, whatever you choose. So let's get going here. Times are wasted, time is precious. One leg up, and I'm going to jump back and forth just with my left leg. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And switch legs. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, well that was nice and easy. 10 repetitions, just like I promised at the beginning of the video. Alright. Woo. Now we're going to run in place. Run. We're going to stop, toe touch, without falling over. Toe touch. If you can't touch your toe on one foot, do a curtsy lunge. And a curtsy lunge on the other side. Keep this foot on the ground there. Do the best that you can. Let's get going in a few seconds here, guys. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Alright, run in place with me. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toe touch and jump on the other. Toe touch. And 1, 2, 3. That's 1 repetition. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toe touch and jump on the other one. Toe touch. And let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toe touch. Toe touch. That's 3. And keep on falling over to my right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go. Toe touch and toe touch. Ooh, didn't fall over on that one. That's 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count with me. 9. If you can't keep up. 10. Let's go. 1, 2, and that's 5. At least that's what my head is 5. We're going number 6. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toe touch and toe touch. And we're going number 7. 1, 2, 3. Stay with me. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Toe touch, toe touch. Nice. This is number 8. 2, 3, 4, 5. Keep it up. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Perfect. Toe touch and jump to the other one. Toe touch. This is number 9. 2. Working 9. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You guys know what to do. Touch, jump and touch. Last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Touch and touch. Alright, take a little 20-second breather or so. And we are moving to single leg burpees. 10 burpees, guys. One leg, then switch to the other leg. So Do one burpee on your left leg only. Do one burpee on your right leg only. You cannot do single leg burpees, do 2 leg burpees. Do whatever it is you're comfortable with, as long as we move. So let's get going in a few seconds here. I'm getting a little wobbly because I don't have anything to drink, because once again, my water bottle is sitting behind the camera and the treadmill. So anyway, let's get going in 5, 4, 3, single leg burpees in 2, 1. Single leg, ready? And let's go. 1, switch legs. 2, switch legs. 3, switch legs. 4, those are my belts. Switch legs with me. For number 5. And then jump. 5. This is not easy for me either. Down, back, down, up, and down. That's 6. Stay with me. 4 more. Down, back, up. 7. Ready? Let's go. Down, back. And that's 8. 2 more. We all got 2 in us. Let's go. And 1. Last one, guys. Stay with me. Ready? Let's go. There we go. That was 10 single leg burpees. Good job, everybody. Woo. Now we're getting down to the ground, into the plank position. Doing the shoulder tap, shoulder tap. All right, you guys know what to do. We're going for 10 repetitions. So I want you to go shoulder, shoulder. All right? Then I want you to go waist, waist. I want you to go foot, foot. Shoulder, shoulder, waist, waist, foot, foot. Let's go. A few more seconds. Let's get down on the ground. Into the plank. And follow along with me. Ready? 3, 2, 1, plank. Get comfortable. Shoulder, shoulder, waist, waist, foot, foot. That's 1. Going for 10. 2, 2, 2. Foot, foot. Perfect. That's 2. 1, 2. Waist. 3. Foot and 3. That's 3 down, guys. And that's 1 and 1. Waist for 4. Foot and a foot. That's 4. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's 5. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's 6. We got 4 more in us. Let's go. Stay up. 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 7. 3 more. Ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 8. 2 more, guys. Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 9. Perfect. Last one. Suck it up. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that's 10. All right. Good job, everybody. Woo. About a 20-second break or so, and we are going to a squat. I want you to squat, jump up, back under, squat, jump up, back under. Simple as that. 10 repetitions, squat and jumps. Can't get any easier than that, right? So let's get going in a few seconds here. Give ourselves, let's see, 5 more seconds. Count down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You know what to do. Squat, jump, squat, jump. That's 1. Squat, jump, squat, clap, squat. 3. This is 3. Work it on 4. Work it on 4. 5 and 5. 6 and 6. 7 and 7. 3 more. 1. And on the other side. 2 and 2. 1. This is it. 1. Squat down and we're done. Woo. That wasn't too bad. Now, we are going to jog forward and then 2 jumps back. Try not to run onto the wall behind me. That's what I meant to say. I can't keeping my heart rate high. So, forward back, start back somewhere. If you don't have a lot of room, just jump in place and give me 2 jumps in place. Not a big deal. I don't have a lot of room here either. I have about 6 feet behind me and a pretty low wall right here. So anyway, 10 repetitions, guys. You guys know what to do. Jot forward with me. Ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and jump back. 1, 2, and forward. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jump back. 1, 2, and forward. That was 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Stay with me. 10. And back. 1, 2. And that was 3. I think. 3. That was 3. We're calling it 3. We're doing this at my pace today. I don't care. 1 and 2. And that's 4. We're running 5, guys. Running 5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And jump back. 1 squat and 2 nice deep squats. 2, 3. We're running 6, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Stay with me. Jump back. Squat. Nice. We're running 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And jump back. 1, 2. And come on forward with me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Back and back. We have 1 more, I believe, right? Let's do 1 more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Last 2 jumps. 1 and 2. All right. Nice job, everybody. I believe, looking at my board, that's right below the camera, we went through 9 different exercises already. That means we have 1 more left. And this, we're going to call the give up, get up. Hands behind your head. Kneel down. You don't have to stay all the way down. Get all the way up. So we're gonna do 5 get-ups on one leg, 5 get-ups on the other leg. Then you're playing more, and you've given up if you had to. So hands behind your head. You got 2 on your neck. And let's get going at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kneel all the way down. Ready? 1. And get up. That's 1. Same leg. 2. Get down. 3. And up. 4. And down. This is the last one on this leg. And 5. Switch legs. 5 repetitions on each leg. 1. 2. Look at me. Eyes up. 3. 4. And last 1. And 5. And that's it, guys. That was our HIIT workout. Kind of random, kind of not. I had fun. I hope you guys had a good time too. Hey, before we get going, don't forget the workouts do come out every Monday and Thursday. Give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and I'll see you guys during the next one. Thanks for joining me today. This was a blast.